If you've been hitting that frustrating message sent before this device was added to this conversation error on Messenger, you're not alone, and you're in the right place for the fix. This glitch can really throw you off, but don't worry. I've got the solutions you need to get everything running smoothly again. Stick with me, and I'll walk you through how to solve this problem step by step. First things first, let's tackle the basics. Sometimes all it takes is a quick restart of your device to clear up any minor glitches. You'll be amazed at how effective this simple step can be. If that doesn't do the trick, it's time to check if you have the latest version of Messenger. You don't want to be stuck with an outdated app, so head over to the Play Store or App Store and make sure it's up to date. If that's not enough, clearing the app's cache and storage can help clean up any leftover data causing issues. It's like giving your app a fresh start. Still having issues? Don't worry, I've got a couple of backup plans. Try uninstalling Messenger and then reinstalling it. It's like hitting the reset button. And trust me, it works wonders. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. I'll be back with more tricks to make your tech life a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.